Please.
So, this question from Turkey, Ankara. What is the best way to explain the second coming of Jesus alayhi salam to the Muslim who are waiting for Jesus alayhi salam with a physical body as if he didn't die?
All the questions which you refer to Turkey are from Turkey. They require very large answers. And large answers to such questions which I have already dealt with repeatedly. Almost in every question answer session which we held with Muslims from all over the world, I mean from England, but they represent people from all countries, they asked this question and I answered this. So better send the video and cassette again, please. Choose some video of your life. I shall know you are ready, after the translation.